This helicopter dropping a car. This was a stunt at an air show in Iceland, so luckily no one was injured. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This person was driving down the road when they suddenly saw a helicopter a bit closer than expected.
Whoa. Massive helicopter.
This helicopter struggling to refuel mid-air. This Boeing 727 taking off with fuel leaking out of its wing. The pilot was aware of it, and the problem was simply due to warm temperatures. After a while it stopped and the plane continued flying. This plane flying really close to the water. This pilot stopped the plane to wave and say hello to the plane spotters. This Boeing 747 overtaking a Boeing 737.
Yeah. Two of them, huh? It's a 747. See how the guy is, yeah.
Amazing.
This plane casually flying upside down. This plane hit a balloon but was not damaged. This A380 flying with a breathtaking view in the sunset. That's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Other sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.